Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama Kawaba Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can share video. Mema room to subscribe. Now I share. Nbesuya se be edible sugar lace. What the 1/3 cup boiling water begu ubomu. We are now the 1/4 teaspoon glucose syrup. One mixing it together. 1 tablespoon Tylose. Then also one mixing it together. One mix area no. Now the 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. Now I also I mix it for me. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. It will be then. I'm mixing it. With the 2 teaspoon water agumu. Se wo mixing na still hwe na se emu ye dia obetimi ta de ensuo ni bi eden aka ho by se ode kituwa bi na eden egumu ano aye ready nti color pese we use no obetimi eden ede agum etu emi su food color yellow uwi na wo de edible metallic gold paint egumu because me pe gold color no one mixing nyina together. One mix area no akọ spread wo lace mat ne so. If my choice and they can share video, remember to subscribe. Now I share, now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video bia beto wa won sabeka. E 2% wo decorate wo fondant cake a wo betimi eden. E dey decorate. Uwi an we repeat the same process say the way first one no. Sa na be second one no. Wawie no na wagesi wo ekosita mebe wo ba mi gesi wo ma ade kyen ansa na meyiye den afri so etuhwe na wo a na wayiye afri mold ni mu entiwe no aye ready wo pese wo de decorate wo cake a wo betimi da eden e decorate. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Now, this is our edible sugar cake lace. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.